Umholi we-EFF Julius Malema uthi bayayimukela imiphumela yelukhetfo lwalomnyaka basemakhaya.
We must accept this result and congratulate the people of South Africa for conducting peaceful elections and continuing to be exemplary in the continent of Africa.
Elutsabeni lwekungaveli kahle kubantu baleli veti ikhungweni tekuvota. Malema uthi bekude kahle lusasasa ebantwini bakulelive kulolukhetfo lwalomnyaka. Uthi kude bantu baphume ngebunyenti kumele kube khona lokubenta baphume ngetinkhane. Imigomo ye-COVID-19 nguleni tingcinamba latibalile.
You need excitement. There must be excitement. So the regulations do not allow the excitement, because it is the excitement that builds an election mood. That's why we always say there must be election mood. So what is an election mood?
Malema ubese utsindzaba laseveni laseSwatini wathi lenhlangano yakhe isekela abantu balela live.
And the people of Swaziland must not be discouraged. The EFF must keep the fires burning. They must continue to fight. The students, the young people of Swaziland, no one has ever said it's going to be easy. It has always been very difficult.
Kulinzele ukuthi kuphume imiphumela yolukhetho nyalo ngensimbi yesithupha.